Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G51 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the battery option, which should be on the 4th position. Here, as you can see on this very first section, we've got the battery percentage option, so this operation is not very complicated. So all you have to do is to simply tap on this switcher, and as you can see, actually immediately right next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course, you can turn it off the same way if you want to. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Motorola Moto G51. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.